Hi everybody, it's Nina and Ted from We Love Stories, and we're going to sing you a cooking song today called Chop, Chop, Choppity, Chop. This is a great one to sing if you're cooking with your child, or if you're playing and pretending to cook with your child. And if you've got a little tiny baby, you can sing this one and do some actions on their body. If you've got slightly bigger kids, you can also ask them to choose some vegetables that you're going to chop. Okay, Ted, would you like to choose the first vegetable? Ted wants to chop a carrot first. So I'm going to start by doing it on Ted's back. Here we go. Chop, chop, choppity chop. Chop off the bottom and chop off the top. All of the rest goes in the pot. Chop, chop, choppity chop. Now I'm going to show you how you can do it on your hand or your child's hand. What vegetable should we do next, Ted? Ooh, Ted wants to do broccoli. That's Ted's favourite vegetable. Okay, we're going to chop our broccoli. Chop, chop, choppity chop. Chop off the bottom and chop off the top. All of the rest goes in the pot. Chop, chop, choppity chop. Okay, one more vegetable, Ted. What would you like? Ooh, snow peas. Okay, I'm going to do it on Ted's hand this time. Chop, chop, choppity chop. Chop off the bottom and chop off the top. All of the rest goes in the pot. Chop, chop, choppity chop. Happy cooking, everyone. Bye.